The verse of the day.
The word for today is found in Matthew 4:4. It says, the man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God. It says here, the word of God is the uh, a, a bread of life, a living water. So the word of God is a spiritual food. Like you are hungry, you are physically, your physical body. You need to eat food or vegetables for your body. So the truth as a children of God, we were longing and hungry with the with the heavenly food, which is the word of God found in the Bible. What will happen if we don't eat? So we are spiritually sick. We are we are sick, our soul and our spirit. So uh dead or dying in love, faith, and passion of God. So weak spiritually, especially we are easily get react, easily get anger, then prideful, so unforgiveness. So that's a characteristic of a spiritually weak person. So how to make yourself filled with the word of God? So you need to have a Bible. So I challenge you that we need to have a Bible. Why we need to have a Bible? So because a Bible is a manual of our daily lives. Give time to read the word of God, because in the word of God, there is all the instruction for you to live here on earth. Make it a habit, my dear friends. Make it a habit to read the word of God. Then always remind us that a word of God is always the lamp of our feet and the light of our path. Make a goal for a day for reading the word of God. So you need to have a goal, that not just you need now because you received this message, but you need to have a goal to read every day the word of God, because that's the part of our daily lives. So receive the message of God from the Bible or the word of God. So in reading the Bible, God speaks to you through the word of God. So in every instruction of lives, we there is in the you found in the Bible. That's why we need to read the word of God, so that every instruction uh that leads teach us will always we always know, and we always kanang lead to a right path. So and the word of God speak to us. uh it's like a sharp, like a two-edged sword that penetrate to the dividing soul and spirit. So no one will read the word that will not change, because reading the word of God will change us inside and out. So everyone who read the word of God will always change, will always transform, because the word of God can transform us inside and out. Sometimes our prayer, God give us the answer through the word of God. So every time we had a prayer, the Lord will give us an answer through the word of God. So that's why we need to listen, we need to read the word of God, because everything is found in the word of God. Even you ask the Lord why, what will happen to you, what will happen to your situation right now, just read the word of God, because the word of God will lead you what will happen to your lives. So uh it is not enough that you read the word of God, but you ask the message of God to you for you today. So by reading the word of God, not just to read the word of God, but you ask the Lord, Lord, what is the message for this word of God to me? What is the message of God for my situation? So you ask the Lord. So next is make it a lifestyle to live the word of God, walk in the word of God. Here it says here, hearing the word of God, uh it's in it's enough, but live on it. Yes, hearing the word of God is enough, but we need to live the word of God. We're just not hearing, but we need to live. We need to walk the word of God. So in last, I have a conclusion here. In James 1:22, do not merely listen to the word of God, um, and to deceive yourself. Do what it says. So I challenge you, my dear friends. We need to read the word of God daily in our lives.